Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Proshares Ultrapro Qqq ETF, and what we have seen is this ETF has already hit a very important support and it has already started moving higher. So let us discuss about the importance of this support and what lies ahead as far as Proshares Ultrapro Qqq is concerned. So let's start, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, a very big question over here is whether the correction is over or not. So let me tell you frankly, looking at the long-term chart, the correction is not yet over. But this is an ETF, an exchange traded fund, and nobody knows where the actual bottom lies. So what one can do in this kind of thing, more specifically in ETFs, whenever you hit a specific bottom or whenever you hit or the stock price reaches an important support level in the big trend, specifically about the weekly or the monthly chart, whenever it hits a big support level, in which case TQQQ hits the 100-day moving average, 100-day simple moving average in the weekly chart. So here you can do some accumulation, and if it falls further and move towards the 200-day SMA, you can again do some accumulation. So this is the way to do it, because we don't know whether this will be the end, because the trend anyhow looks negative, but if it start moving higher and it does not falls and it rather consolidate, we can't say. So that's why this is the way to, whenever an ETF falls down like 5, 10, 15%, what you need to do, you need to buy some more to average it out, and you can go for accumulation whenever it further moves on the downside. Now, as far as the current range is concerned, so this is how the range looks like, right? I'm talking about the next couple of weeks or months, because this is anyhow moves quite slowly, and this is how the trend looks like in the last 4 or 5 years. So as you can see, in case of any bad or negative scenario, there is a potential of a fall, and as I told you, you need not to wait. Some people do wait for TQQQ to hit the lows of 21 and 14.75. You need not to do it. You can do accumulation on every important support level. Your next important support level is $32.81. Your current important support level is near $50 and $49.50. On the upside, you have a target in between 100 and 190, but there is a potential or there is a probability that the overall trend is not yet stabilized. But even in the correction, if you are buying something which will surely move up once the market stabilizes, so you need to buy on every dip. I'm not talking about stock, I'm talking about an ETF. An ETF is something which is not going to die down easily, because it's not a stock that it will go bankrupt. It is just a mimic of the index, and index is something which is not going to die down or not going to collapse like any stock. Okay, so this is the important difference, as well as the risk free factor which you need to understand. So do not wait for this ETF to come down and test. If in case it will come down and test, you can average some more, so plan it accordingly, but you need not to wait for this to come down, because nobody knows. ETFs are the safest one and safest instrument, and there will be buying on each and every level, let me tell you frankly, because it has already fallen by more than 43-45%, and the lowest end of the range is minus 56%. So you can't expect extreme fall. So this is what we have as far as the current analysis of Proshares Ultrapro Qqq, and as I told you, over a period of time you can gain a very good compounding return But the important thing is how you're going to plan it. So plan it accordingly. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.